All right, hey, what's up, y'all? So I got some leftover fudge. I made some fudge for some people's birthdays this past week. This is SHT fudge. It's been perfected. It's taken me a while to do this. There's a lot of TLC into it because it's the perfect consistency and thickness and hardness. It's just like fudge because it is fudge. And the ingredients are super simple. The only carbohydrate in it is honey. The honey is never heated because I had it after I mix everything. And then there's also butter, there's some roasted cashew butter, there's some vanilla extract, some gelatin powder, some sea salt, and then of course the 100% dark cocoa chips, all right? So this stuff is absolutely legit. I'm selling this for $4 for 100 grams or 3.5 ounces, and it looks like this right here, all right? If you want me to make you a mega batch 11 by 13 glass baking dish size of it, then that would cost, what is that, $55, all right? And again, like legit, the only sugar in it is honey. It's a perfect evening treat. Although we try to shy away from approved options, I think a couple of pieces of this a night are actually just as good or better than having some dark chocolate, all right? Let me know if you guys are interested.